Alright, cutting carrots. You just chop the end off and then cut it? Yeah, make it small, baby. I stick them on up and I chop them real small. Yeah! Any Clutch fans out there in the audience today? No? Well, if you haven't read the title, today we're making Ragu at home. Home style Ragu, aka red sauce. Ragu is an Italian cuisine. It is a meat sauce that is usually served over pasta, but ragu as a word comes from the French ragot, which is a stew of meat and veggies. That's why we're chopping the fuck out of these veggies. My American homies would call this spaghetti, but that's a type of noodle and I'm particular about stuff like that. But if you don't put vegetables in your red sauce, then you've been doing it the way you like it and that's okay. But not for me, I like veggies. How do you cut onions? I'm gonna cut this in half. Oh, and it's got an onion nussi.
Can't even tell.
Onion nussi. Anyway, once we're done with that, we're going to make cuts vertically and kind of diagonally. Then I slice them at the desired thickness, and because I cut them that way, when I make my vertical cuts, I'm cutting through the onions layers, so they're already chopped nice and tight. Do you cry when you cut onions? I cry.
Only because there aren't more to cut.
This was decently sized, so I only used half, and then I'm going to yeet the other half into my fridge. Put it in a bag. Throw that shit in the back of your fridge. Mushrooms, look at these beauts. Yeah, I love mushrooms in my sauce, just in everything in general. But watch me struggle with these mushrooms. No chop edit. Am I good? Am I bad? Let me know what you think in the comments. I don't read them anyway. And skadoosh. Garlic. Oh, look at this tiny garlic. What happened? It's so cute. Look at it. Wow. Anyway, so I kind of like to twist the garlic betwixt me fingies, and the shell usually slides right off. See, look at that. Nice and easy. Put that shit in a bag. Yeet. I like to crush the garlic with my knife. Dude, watch this garlic go into the fucking stratosphere. Gone forever. Bye-bye. And watch me mince this shit. Fucking whoosh, done. Fucking ba 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 ba. I look like fucking Gordon Ramsay. Chopping this shit up. Smooth chopping. Call me chopping. I ain't making music. That was a music history joke. Because Chopin. I'll be chopping this garlic. Anyway. Throw that shit back, in the pot. Let them simmer until the onions become semi-see-through. Get some mixing action in there. Also, I apologize, my light is gonna go gross in a second. It looks disgusting and yellow. Yeah, isn't that gross? Throw some mushrooms in that shit. And squart. Put it back. Stop it. There we go. Bit more. God damn. Did you fucking stop? Leave the... Anyway, we're gonna mix that up and let it simmer, develop some flavor, and then when it's done... We're just gonna get some Again with the reverse stuff? And okay, so put a lid on that shit. Fucking yeet that to the back of the stove. Now the main show. Oh, what the fuck? I told the editor to leave that shit out. Now I look insane picking up a log of meat to slowly drop it in the pan as if it were being pooped into the pan. I'm the editor, by the way. Care to guess which spices I put in there? Garlic powder, salt, white pepper, onion powder, oregano, tamime, rosemary, tarragon majorum, basil, and a little teeny bit of hate. Mix that all in. Get all the juices in there. And that was pork and ground beef, by the way. Now that that's done, I said, now that, okay. Oh, okay, and I'll just let you go till you're done. Okay, now that that's done, it's time for the sausage. Same pan as the beef-pork combo. Try not to cook these all the way through. Just enough to get them snap in that final dish. Excuse me, showing my friend that edit. He asked what I was doing.
Comedy gold.
I told him important stuff. You just let those guys go for a little while. Or turn these into chunky slices. Nothing fancy here, no real rhyme or reason, just make it nice, you know? Something that you would like pick up and eat. And also, I know they're raw in the middle. I know, okay? Jeez. They're gonna cook in the sauce and release their mighty flavor. You knave. We're gonna put it on the pot and let that go for a while we wait for a while, waiting a while for the while we're waiting in the pot, and it's waiting for the while for us. Waiting. Look at it. Look at it. It's beautiful. It looks so good. I wish you could smell it. Just imagine what it smells like.
Can you imagine? Can you imagine the lives of the vegetables and the meat that were consumed to make the food? Have you ever stopped to think about how much meat you've eaten in your life and vegetables, and if you've contributed to the downfall of man and global society? Everything you eat and everything you drink comes from somewhere, comes from something, so it has to mean something, right? Everything has to be related. All of it has to go together. It all has to mean something. What does it mean? I don't know what it all means.
Okay, and after a few hours on a low heat, the sauce is going to smell considerably better and more full of great flavors that I am most certainly going to put over pasta with a shit ton of Parmesan cheese with some garlic bread on the side. Delicious. Can't wait to eat it. Look at my feet. Hands free, baby. Isn't that just magic? Jazz hands. That's all I got. Show me how you make the sauce. Let me know how badly I prepared this food, but mostly I hope you enjoyed the show. Look at my stove. I need to clean this, but I've shot several things in a row. Don't judge me. Thanks for watching. Like and do the thing.